Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another video, and welcome to another Tuesday Tiny Tidy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tuesday Tiny Tidy, which is an open collaboration hosted by my friend Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. I'll leave her information listed in the description box below, along with the playlist with all the other creators that participate week after week in this open collaboration. Today we are going to be tackling the refrigerator. We're going to be cleaning it out, and I'm going to be sharing with you a grocery haul at the end of this video as we restock the newly cleaned fridge. So come along with me as I clean out a refrigerator to start fresh for 2023. Okay, here's our refrigerator. Let's open this up. Whew. There is a lot of things in here and it needs a good deep clean.
Daisies blooming, sundress swaying in the breeze. I can't stop staring. You've put a spell on me, and I hope that you never decide to set me free. The way you're moving has got me moving my own feet. The greatest feeling that I could ever dare to dream is you forever moving next to me. Let's not waste time or take this slow. We've got miles behind us but miles to go, so let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest of my life. Let's not waste time or take this slow. We got miles behind us but miles to go.
Okay, so here's our semi-healthy grocery haul. I didn't go, Matt went, so I'm just going to start over here. No rhyme or reason, but we have some coffee, unsweetened almond milk, a bunch of seasonings, fajita, there's a taco, there's chili, there's a meatloaf and a shepherd's pie, this salad kit, some sour cream, 2 of these lemon herb, well, one's ginger beef, one's lemon herb chicken bowl, fat-free vanilla Greek yogurt, this is unhealthy, watermelon slices, a sesame, ketchup, table syrup, and honey garlic, some instant rice, some eggs, mushrooms, spring rolls, 2 sweet and sour, well, 1 sweet and sour, 1 honey garlic, cucumber, tortellini, pepperoni, green onions, broccolini, carrots, zucchini, deli ham, chicken bouillon, shredded cheese, bananas, red pepper, beef and broccoli sauce, celery, kielbasa, sweet potatoes, frozen peas, frozen potatoes, frozen vegetables, frozen peaches, and this is frozen spinach, a sweet chili sauce, a buffalo sauce, some unsweetened blueberry yogurt, no, not yogurt, unsweetened blueberry apple sauces, some rice stick vermicelli, some egg noodles. This is garlic toast, sausage, green pepper, and avocado, and I already put the ground beef and the chicken in the fridge. So let's clear this off and get it in the refrigerator.
So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than two.
And here is what the refrigerator is looking like now. I gave it a good clean, took out all the things that were expired or went bad, and restocked it with some healthy staples. So there it is in its glory. Somewhat organized and ready to start the week. So that's it. That's my Tuesday Tiny Tidy fridge clean out and healthy grocery haul for you. I hope you enjoyed, and consider subscribing if you're not already. Don't forget to check out the playlist linked in the description box below, and watch all the other amazing ladies that participate week after week in this collaboration. And don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn. Her channel will be listed down below as well. I hope that you all are having a wonderful start to your 2023, are taking care and staying safe, and we will see you next week for another Tuesday Tiny Tidy and Slowly Simplifying Your Space on Monday. Thanks for being here. I love and appreciate you all. Take care. Stay safe. Bye now.